Let me show you a special feature about our safe. Surprise! For you to open the safe, you have two options. We have the manual lock and the digital lock. For the manual lock, you are provided with two unique keys. You first key and turn it to the clockwise direction. The second key, turn it to the anti-clockwise direction. From there, turn the doorknob to the clockwise direction and your safe is open. For the second option, which is the digital lock, you are provided with 4 rechargeable batteries which are inserted inside the safe. And you also, these batteries are inserted inside the safe so that you may be able to use the digital lock. To insert the key, turn clockwise direction. And for the first time users, we have a default pin which is #1234#. Once pressed, a message will appear that the safe is open. Then from there, you can safely turn the doorknob to the clockwise direction. Reset the default password for security purposes. You'll have to open the safe using the digital lock. That is the first key inserted and turn to the clockwise direction. The initial pin, which is #1234#. Immediately press star your new pin, for example 1414#. A message will pop out that the pin is registered. From there, you can open your safe. Once you put your documents, your jewelries, your money inside the safe, you can close it, and this is made possible by the metal rods that are attached to the door. So these steel rods are designed in a way that they have their specific holes where they are inserted. So once inserted, your safe is closed. Amazing feature about our safe is, in case an intruder tries to key in the wrong password thrice, an alarm will go off. This will notify you that there is someone who is trying to break your safe. This is stop the alarm is by keying in the correct password. For those unable to access our offices, or for those who would like to gift their fellow partners a surprise gift, a birthday gift, hata unaweza itumia like a proposal gift, unapropozea mpoa wako na Safebox. Don't worry, we got you covered as we deliver countrywide. Machakos, Lokichogyo, anywhere. Hata kama unataka tuipeleke Uganda, Tanzania, we can deliver it at your doorstep. You can reach us via 0798 008 008, or you can visit our offices along Spine Road, few meters from this center behind Shujaa Mall, Sosian Estate.